Alright, so a few months ago, DeepCool released this AIO. This is the LT720, and a lot of people really liked it. It looks super cool. It's got like this infinity mirror cube style design. But the one thing people were asking for was a white version, and DeepCool listened and have released a white version. This is the LT720 white. Now, we actually already did a full review on this AIO, so if you haven't already seen that and you want to find out about all the tech specs and everything and what we think of it, I'll link that in the top right so you can go watch it. But yeah, I thought I'd just come on here today and do an unboxing for you all of the white version, because I know a lot of people want to see it. Let's crack it open, shall we? Now, there's actually two versions of this thing. This is the LT720, which is the 360mm version, but there's also a 240mm version as well. Let's check out the fans first. So these are the three fans that you get included. They come in this kind of white color. I don't know why, but for some reason, whenever you get PC components that are supposed to be white, they're always like a slightly off-white color. It's almost like gray. But yeah, they don't have any RGB or anything, and they just come with this 4-pin PWM connector, so you can hook it straight up to like a splitter hub if you have one of those. Let's put these to one side and have a look at the pump block and the radiator. We've got a little peel. That didn't work. So here it is, here's what it looks like. As you can see, everything is matching, which is quite nice. You sometimes get like white AIOs from some companies where the radiator itself is black, or like the pipes are still black, but yeah, everything here is white. So the radiator's white, the pipes are white, and the pump block itself is white as well. You get these little clips included, which you can use to kind of like route the pipes, which is quite nice. And another thing that's quite cool about this AIO is that you can take the pump block cover off completely to reveal the pump. You can actually see the LEDs inside of here, which is kind of cool. It's just plugged straight into your motherboard onto your pump header. And then to run the RGB on the pump block cover, you've just got a 3-pin addressable RGB. So you can put that into your motherboard, and you can also daisy chain other RGB stuff off here as well, which is quite cool. And then inside this little brown box, you've got all your mounting hardware. So all of these new DeepCool AIOs are basically compatible with everything from like the last few years. So yeah, it'll do like AM4, AM5, Intel 11, 12, 13th gen, all of the latest stuff as well. I actually just remembered, you get this thing included. So this is basically just a splitter cable. So it's a 4-pin PWM. You can put that into your motherboard, and then you've got 3 coming off it. So you can power all 3 of your fans. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Like I said, I just wanted to come on here and do a super fast unboxing, because I know a few people wanted to see what this new white version of this AIO looked like. What do you guys think of it? Has anybody already picked up the original version and is thinking of upgrading to the white version? I'll make sure to have this new white version and the original version linked down below in the description in case you want to check it out. And like I said, if you want to find out more about this and how it performs, definitely go watch the full review. Drop a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. We have lots of awesome content on the way. I am going to be building my first proper water-cooled PC in a couple of days. Nene is going to show me how to do all the epic tube bending and stuff, so that should be pretty cool. Hope you all have a good week, and I will see you all very soon.